good morning, everybody. So, what we have here is a Canarm Antiquity Ceiling in my room. Feel pretty tired, so. But, it's in my bedroom. And it was installed about, I think 2 months ago. And, yeah, it's an anti-brass 2006. And up light, down light, both, yeah. And so, well, let's see the other side, which is a cherry finish. I can actually show like the top of it. Yeah, straps from January of 2006, and I'm gonna fire it up on low. So I replaced this fan with it used to have a Canarm bar before because it wasn't really good. Wasn't really the best performer, but I just decided to put this up. I think it was better. Just this. I have made a video of it before, but it was like last year when I installed it in my former bedroom, and I had the lower ceiling. And now it's here. I think I'm gonna replace it. I have a G63 custom like a Zephyr, and the globe light bulb and lights. Because this thing is insanely powerful. Yeah, we're gonna go to medium. So, yeah. Canarm Originals. So, Canarm Originals, well, that was after Pleasant Air in 1990, around 1997. And became a line of fans until like 2000. I mean, like, into 2010, 2010, maybe it stopped. I don't know the exact year when it stopped. The Originals collection. I have a white one that's moving as in 1996. That was before the Royal Collection. So, we'll put it on high. So he's actually pretty good. To be honest, it's not a bad fan. And it's pretty balanced. But up light. I've been wanting to have this fan in my room for a long time. So there's a story behind this fan, and then the reason why I really love it so much. There's a sugar shack near my cottage that has, or maybe used to have had, because that sugar shack had these with huge buckets on the lights. I can probably add the picture. I'll see if I can. But that sugar shack closed and it's going under renovations. I wasn't there last February and there was like no power left. Well, at least they're not like really rare. I've come across a couple of them on Marketplace. This both. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.